Alright, hello YouTube land. We're going to be starting off today with the analytics from December. I'm also going to change things up. I'm not going to put them on my regular personal YouTube channel. I'm going to put them on this YouTube channel just because I'm pretty sure a lot of people who do follow this would like to see the information. So just going to go over the December analytics, might talk about what's coming up on the next year, talk about maybe some goal videos that I'll be posting and things to come. So let's jump into it. Alright, let's jump into it. As you can see here, we've narrowed down to December of 2020. And if you take a look compared to last month, several 150 or so down, but compared to October, very similar numbers throughout. So I'm not too worried about that. I don't necessarily mind that because it is winter. A lot of people aren't traveling. I'm specifically not camping right now, so I understand that a lot of people aren't going to be camping, and that's fine by me. But 460 for the month, 14.9 hours of watch time, and as you can see, very similar setup there compared to November, but similar to October. And of course, 4 new subscribers. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I'm hoping to have a lot more informational videos over the coming months on several hikes here in the Midwest. And I already have several trips planned through the next 3 months, so lots to come on the videos. We'll take a look at our reach. 4.6 thousand impressions, pretty good. Let's take a look at that compared to November, 3.4. So that's a pretty big increase. I like to see that. Unfortunately, click-through a little lower. Just through my own ideas, I want 10% or better. At the end of the day, is it the worst that I don't? No, but as you can see, last month 9.5 versus this month 4.6. So not the best, but it's all right. Again, 460 views and 332 unique viewers. Thank you very much. Quick engagement numbers, 14.9 hours, an average of 1.56. Let's take a quick look and see. From the previous month, there you can see the differences. Again, not the end of the world. It's a very different scene in the winter in North America than it is in the summer. So now you can see the breakdown of each daily view there. We did have some spikes of 30, 40 a day. Again, I'm happy with 1 or more, so it doesn't bother me. As you can see, 34 people in the last 2 days, and the top videos right now are those 3 indicated. But for the entire month of December, the Friends Trail, the Tulsa Aviation Arrow, and the Greenleaf State Park videos were my top 3. We're going to take a quick look at that here in a moment, but let's just take a quick look at some of the YouTube searches that got us here. So we're going to go into the reach section and look at the type. So YouTube search, 56%, all right. And here's the funnel, right? 4.6 thousand impressions with 4.6 click-through rate, click-through rate. 212 views from that, an average of 1:35, 5.64 hours. Next, we have some of our sources of traffic. Facebook, I do post some videos on a Facebook page. And as you can see, 45% of my 10% comes from that. There is some messaging. I do text a few people when I am completed with a video, and then finally some Google search, WhatsApp, and Yahoo search. And then as you can see for my channel, Black Mesa, Pitcher, Oklahoma, Oklahoma State Parks, that's the breakdown percentage of that 56% YouTube search traffic. Some suggested videos. Again, you can look at those videos and watch the videos that are suggesting your content. So I'm just going to break down one video because I thought it was a little unusual. But that's going to be the Tulsa Aviation Arrow video. So you can see the watch information there and the percent viewed. There are 5 dips, which means people did fast forward through those parts. But there's the overall view for the video. But this is kind of the unique thing. The majority of my traffic was external. So Facebook, things like that, direct or unknown, browse features. There were very little, right here, YouTube search. Not enough data. So I find that pretty interesting. The majority of those views, which it was a top video, was from external stuff, not necessarily from YouTube search. So Facebook messaging, apple.com, campingandtrekking.com, which is the website that's also the companion to a lot of these videos. So very interesting. And like I said, no searching for this video, even though it was a top video. So I find that pretty interesting. And then I think we'll take one more look at this beaver trail, because again, that keeps driving traffic here, and I think this is a real informative video. So let's take a look at the reach in December. So we had 381 impressions with around 9.5% click-through rate. That's good. I like that. A lot of these are coming from YouTube search right there. Some external in the month, so I'm not quite sure where that's coming from because that video was filmed several months ago. And then as you can see, the funnel there on the right hand side. So from the YouTube search, which is 78%, 1.8% was that keyword, and that keyword. I might go back. I have the month of January off, so I might go back and actually update some keywords and tags for several of these videos with this information, update a little bit to make it more palatable to the YouTube search algorithm. So, all right, and that's it for kind of the main part of my YouTube analytics stuff. Something that's going to be changing is I'm officially unemployed, so I will be having a lot more time. I'm currently home visiting with some family in the meantime, but I am in Indiana, so I will be exploring places like Hoosier National Forest in central Indiana. Columbus, Indiana is an upcoming trip. I'm actually going to be down in Biloxi, Mississippi in February, Florida in February, Arkansas through March, and then Vegas in April. So there's going to be a lot more trip reports. There's going to be a lot more video. Hoping to get basically trip report and trip report style videos out over the next 3 to 4 months. So expect a lot more. Hopefully I can convert a few more subscribers. Again, I like getting this information out. I taught when I was in the Air Force, so I like teaching, exploring, trying all those things out. So more to come, and I hope to see you guys all soon.